Hello, welcome to Easy Spanish from Mexico. We are going to talk about possessive adjectives in Spanish. Hola, bienvenidos a Easy Spanish from Mexico. Vamos a hablar de adjetivos posesivos en español. Look at the following chart. I have pronombre personal in the first column, the second, adjetivos posesivos, and the third in English, possessive adjective. Yo, me or mis. Tú, tus, su or sus. Él, su or sus. Ella, su or sus. If I'm referring to an animal or thing, su or sus. Nosotros, nuestro or nuestra. Ellos, ellas, su or sus. As you can see, this is in singular and plural. We use possessive adjectives to talk about possession. Usamos los adjetivos posesivos para hablar de pertenencia. Por ejemplo, this is my doll. Esta es mi muñeca, singular. Or, in plural, estas son mis muñecas. Su nombre es Rosa. Her name is Rosa. As you can see, this is when I am talking about her. It could be formal or informal. Tu cabello es negro. Your hair is black. When I am talking in an informal context. Su nombre es David. Or, David es su nombre. His name is David. When I'm talking about him. Sus ojos son cafés. In this case, I'm talking about my pet. Its eyes are brown. If I am talking about my friend, her eyes are brown. Su bicicleta es roja. His bike is red. Look. This is David's bike. His bike is red. Nuestra casa es muy grande. Our house is very big. In this case, we are talking about something that belongs to us. Sus zapatos son verdes. I'm talking about my favorite clowns. Their shoes are green. As you can see, we are going to use, in Spanish, the possessive adjective plus the noun. For example, Carlos está haciendo su tarea. Su possessive adjective, noun, tarea. Me gusta su reloj. Possessive adjective, su reloj, noun. Nuestra casa está cerca del aeropuerto. Nuestra possessive adjective, noun, casa. ¿Dónde está su abuela? Su possessive adjective, abuela, noun. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, please give me a like, subscribe, and share. Gracias por ver este video. Si te gustó, regálame un like, suscríbete y comparte. Hasta luego, gracias.